Hey, hello, my beautiful audience. So welcome once again, One Me School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade package name, how to upgrade the versions, and how do we add Firebase notification, and then many more things on our Gdevelop gap development projects. So let's see that. So you can see that I'm right now in my Gdevelop dashboard. Sure, I'm gonna open my ready project, and then we can see that how to do that. Okay, so here is my game preview. So this is not the video how to improve our game. In this video I'm gonna show that how to integrate that thing in our projects, like how to change our package name and then another things. So we should go on that and click on the properties, and now can we change our game name here. We can change our game description, and then we can implement our Athon name. And then yep, this is the main thing, that we can change our package name for Android and iOS too, so that I wanna keep it com dot my brand is epic dot 99 play. You can change as you want, and then we can update here our build versions. Here is the game resolution, and if your project have Firebase, we can copy and paste here our Firebase here, Firebase notification. Here is Firebase option. And if you have your ads ID such that AdMob, we can copy and paste here AdMob app ID, and here is ads network ID. So that's the videos for today. Enjoy your Gdevelop gap development journey. So hit on the subscribe button and stay tuned with One Me School.